Semantic Kernel Status Overview. Semantic Kernel is an SDK that integrates large language models, LLMs, like OpenAI, Azure OpenAI, and Hugging Face, with conventional programming languages like C#, Python, and Java. Semantic Kernel achieves this by allowing you to define plugins that can be chained together in just a few lines of code. What makes Semantic Kernel special, however, is its ability to automatically orchestrate plugins with AI. With Semantic Kernel Planners, you can ask an LLM to generate a plan that achieves a user's unique goal. Afterwards, Semantic Kernel will execute the plan for the user. Please star the repo to show your support for this project. Getting started with Semantic Kernel. The Semantic Kernel SDK is available in C#, Python, and Java. To get started, choose your preferred language below. See the feature matrix to see a breakdown of feature parity between our currently supported languages. The quickest way to get started with the basics is to get an API key from either OpenAI or Azure OpenAI and to run one of the C#, Python, and Java console application scripts below. For C#, create a new console app. Add the Semantic Kernel NuGet, Microsoft.semantic-kernel. Copy the code from here into the app program.cs file. Replace the configuration placeholders for API key and other params with your key and settings. Run with F5 or .NET Run. For Python, install the pip package, python-m pip install semantic kernel. Create a new script, e.g. hello-world.py. Store your API key and settings in an .env file as described. Copy the code from here into the hello-world.py script. Run the Python script. For Java, clone the repository git clone github/github.com/microsoft/semantic-kernel.git. To access the latest Java code, clone and check out the Java development branch git clone-b java-development/github.com/microsoft/semantic-kernel.git. Follow the instructions here. Learning how to use Semantic Kernel. The fastest way to learn how to use Semantic Kernel is with our C# and Python Jupyter notebooks. These notebooks demonstrate how to use Semantic Kernel with code snippets that you can run with a push of a button. Getting started with C# notebook. Getting started with Python notebook. Once you've finished the Getting Started notebooks, you can then check out the main walkthroughs on our Learn site. Each sample comes with a completed C# and Python project that you can run locally. Overview of the kernel, understanding AI plugins, creating semantic functions, creating native functions, chaining functions together, auto-create plans with Planner. Create and run a ChatGPT plugin. Finally, refer to our API references for more details on the C# and Python APIs. C# API reference. Python API reference, coming soon. Join the community. We welcome your contributions and suggestions to SK Community. One of the easiest ways to participate is to engage in discussions in the GitHub repository. Bug reports and fixes are welcome. For new features, components, or extensions, please open an issue and discuss with us before sending a PR. This is to avoid rejection, as we might be taking the core in a different direction, but also to consider the impact on the larger ecosystem. To learn more and get started, read the documentation, learn how to contribute to the project, join the Discord community, attend regular office hours and SK community events, follow the team on our blog, Contributor Wall of Fame, Code of Conduct. This project has adopted the Microsoft Open Source Code of Conduct. For more information, see the Code of Conduct FAQ or contact opencode@microsoft.com with any additional questions or comments. License copyright C. Microsoft Corporation. All rights reserved. Licensed under the MIT license.